Our next special product is squaring a multinomial. So how is it different from the second part? So yung second part, ano lang yun, binomial lang. So recall, yung second part natin, if we have a plus b squared, all you have to do is to square the first, twice the product of the two, plus square of the last. Kung minus yan, the a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now, what if it's a multinomial? So, kasi mas madami sa binomial, no? Katulad itong number 61. What if there are 3 terms inside? So, for number 61, if we want x minus 2y plus 3z squared, alam natin that that's equivalent to x minus 2y plus 3z times x minus 2y plus 3z. So, mangyayari dyan, didistribute natin isa-isa. So, multiply doon, ito dito, doon. And then, 3z doon. And then, there will be plenty of products that you will combine like terms. Okay, so if you expand this, you will find out that if you have a plus b plus c, then you have to square that. All you have to do is just, number 1, square all the terms. And then, get twice the product of any combination of 2. So, for example, 2 times AB muna. So, A, B. And then, twice naman nung A at C. Plus twice naman nung B at C. So, lahat ng dalawa possible combination of ng any 2. Para ba sabihin yan? Any combination of 2. Okay? So, ito yung ipa-follow natin. Unlike dito, na kapag minus, hindi natin kino-consider yung sign ng term. Dito i-consider natin kasi ang formula na binigay ko lahat ay naka-plus. So, if you have x minus 2y, this is number 61, times 3z squared. Sabi sa formula natin, square daw natin yung una. So, that's x squared plus, square natin yung pangalawa. That's negative 2y squared. Square natin yung pangatlo, which is 3z. Plus, twice the product of the first combination. First combination. 2 times ang a natin is x. Ang b natin is negative 2y. Take note ha, kino-consider ko yung sign. Plus, ito naman, AC. So, that's x, saka 3z. So, 2 times x times 3z. Plus, twice naman nung other combination. Negative 2y, saka 3z. So, kita nyo yun. First combination natin, x, saka negative 2y. So, ito yung unang yon. And then, x, 3z, yung una, saka yung huli. And then, lastly, yung negative 2y, saka yung 3z. Dito sa pangalawang huli. And then, all you have to do is to simplify this. So, x squared, so that's x squared. Ito, negative 2, alam niyo natin, pag in-square natin ng mga negative, nagiging positive yan. So, negative 2 times negative 2, that's positive 4y. And then, do not forget the exponent of y squared. And then, 3z, so square natin yung 3, that's 9. And then, z squared. Okay, ito. May negative doon, so alam natin that positive times negative, that's negative 4, kasi meron kang 2 times 2, so that's 4. Then do not forget the xy. And then on this term, 2, tsaka 3. Kasi di ba ito 1 lang naman to. So 2 times 3, that's 6. And then do not forget the terms, the variables, xz. And then finally, we have 2, negative 2, so it's negative 4, times 3, that's negative 12 yz. Okay, and you will find out, wala ka nang kailangang i-combine dyan. Okay, so that's your final answer. So for these exercises, I want you to work on number 63, 67, at saka 73. So tatlo lang.